Field Hospital at the McAllen Convention Center has only seen 8 patients since it opened.
And officials tell CBS 4's Joanna Guzman it's because hospitals are seeing fewer COVID-19 patients.
The hospitals across the valley, but in Cameron County also, are showing decreased number of COVID admissions.
While the number of positive cases in the valley remains high, health officials say hospitals are starting to get some sort of normalcy back.
People are starting to show up to the hospital like they used to for their normal kind of medical problems. They're able to start converting those beds back into the normal kind of medical beds they were before. They were COVID beds.
At least 4% of Cameron County is infected with the virus. Health Authority Dr. James Castillo says there's still hundreds critically ill, but hospitalizations have decreased due to age groups.
As of today, we have 16,590 cases in Cameron County confirmed. We're seeing a lot of infections among younger people. I hope it's that younger people who are getting infected are not passing it along to their older relatives, right, which was definitely a trend we were seeing that was resulting in a lot of hospitalizations.
It's the same in Hidalgo County.
I left the COVID unit this morning and they had 4 beds available. So we went from a no bed available to 4 beds available.
It's been a week now since the McAllen Convention Center turned into a recovery center aiming to alleviate hospitals' overflow. But Hidalgo County's health authority, Dr. Ivan Melendez, says only 8 patients have been transferred.
Well, I think we're flattening out. We're still at a very, very high level. So ICU beds, people that are critically ill, they're still pretty high. But I think our medical surgical beds, I think have begun to decrease down. So I think we've plateaued so far until the next crisis, right?
Health officials are hopeful the dip in hospitalizations will continue to decrease as more people are starting to take the virus seriously. Working for you in McAllen, I'm Joanna Guzman.
Officials say the census in RGV hospitals has decreased from 1,400 to 1,100 in 10 days.